Find or read reviews that people are talking of Reliancer 3-tier rolling welding cart MIG-TIG arc plasma cutter machine. Are recommended that you do not buy, unless you have read and studied this product, until you are sure that quality are acceptable, and you really want to buy. And don't forget press to subscribe, click bell and select all, to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Why you choose Reliancer 3-tier rolling welding cart MIG-TIG arc plasma cutter machine. Below are some reasons why you should choose. The sturdy and durable welding cart is all iron construction with satin black powder coated finish that is rust proof and wear proof for years of use. Heavy duty with a total load capacity of up to 180 pound, which is enough to hold your welders plus plasma cutter on the same welding cart. Also accommodate gas bottle, tidy up your workspace. Help you find your welding accessories and tools right away. Suitable for a quick welding job or a big project at home, garage and workshop. The welder cart featured with 3-level shelves that provides ample storage space to organize your welding tools and equipment, help you build a neat and ordered garage or workshop. Spacing between each shelf is convenient and easy to access whatever tools you need. The top shelf accommodates most welders and plasma cutters. The middle and bottom shelves allow storage of necessary welding accessories, such as welding helmet, WEL electric drill, welder wire, and more. The 3-tiers welder cart is equipped with a spacious rear shelf for storing shielding gas bottle up to 9.6-inch diameter, comes with an extended chain to keep tank securely in place. Add more stability and safety. Cutout in rear to allow plasma cutter cable routing through the rear of the cart. Designed with 2-side heavy-duty hanging hooks for cable storage. Equipped with a tilted handle that is ergonomically designed for easy maneuverability around the workshop. The smooth rolling welding cart is easy to maneuver with two 360 degrees swiveling front casters for flexibility in all directions and 2 molded rubber rear wheels to make sure the stability of moving, especially with heavy loads. Thanks for watching. We hope this video satisfied for you, and make sure to press that like button and share this video with your friends. Important. Don't forget to press subscribe us and press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads.